Meron tayo ulit tanong, ano ang dahilan ng cervical cancer? So, cervical cancer are usually caused by the HPV or the human papilloma virus. Ito ay sexually transmitted. So, transmitted siya through sexual contact, anal, oral, vaginal. Actually, most of us has HPV na. Pero yung body natin has the ability to fight that infection. Pero pag hindi na, sometimes it will develop into cancer, especially yung mga strains nga na cancerous. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, yan yung tinatawag na cancerous tissue. So, usually, di ba, pag cancer, may bukol. So, pag nag-speculum exam, pag malaki siya, makikita mo siya. That's why, nagpa-pap smear tayo para ma-detect natin kung meron kahit maliit pa lang or hindi kita ng ating mga mata. So, yung pap smear is the screening for cervical cancer. So, usually, if meron ka ng cervical cancer and medyo advanced stage na siya, you would have vaginal bleeding, painful na sexual contact, back pain, weight loss, same as any other cancer, di ba? Then, pag na-consult ka, dahil nga dun sa mga symptoms na nararamdaman mo, usually, nagiging advanced na siya, stage 2, stage 3 na. So, that's why early detection is the key. That's why we always tell them magpa-pap smear regularly para ma-detect siya even before magkaroon ka pa ng mga ganyang sintomas. And of course, your HPV vaccine, which can prevent almost 90% of all the strains ng HPV na nag-cause ng cancer.